Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ansar. In this video we are going to talk about homographs. Homographs are the words which have the same spelling but they have different meaning and pronunciation. Homographs ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जिनके स्पेलिंग तो सेम होती है लेकिन उनकी आवाज़ और उनके मायने और या मीनिंग डिफरेंट होते हैं या मुख्तलिफ होते हैं. Let us learn with the help of some examples here. CLOSE. Both the words having the same spelling, but they have different meaning and different pronunciation. First one, CLOSE, close. Close, we have here S, so it gives the sound of S only. Close, sa sound, close. It is an adjective, so we can use close in relation. Example, he is my close friend. Close, sa sound, close friend. Next one, close, CLOSE. It is pronounced as Z. We have to pronounce this S as a Z. Close, za sound, close. It is a verb and we can use this word as to make shut. To make shut. For example, please close the door. Please close the door. Next one, LIVE. So here LIVE. One is an adjective, another one is a verb. Live, LIVE, live. It is an adjective. Going on at the present time. Going on at the present time, not on a recording. Live. Example, we have I love watching live cricket matches. I don't like highlights. I love watching live cricket matches. Next one, LIVE, live. This is life and this is live. This is verb, to reside somewhere. To reside somewhere. Example, I live in India. Still I remember the day when I was teaching IELTS in IELTS class. Close, live and live. To my students of IELTS, I was teaching my students of IELTS these words, I cleared the doubts of my students. Next one, BOW. So this is BOW and this is also BOW. So what is the difference between these two? Spelling are same, but they have different meaning and different pronunciation. Let us learn here. BOW, it is a bow. We have to say it is a bow. So this is, a weapon for shooting arrow. This is a bow. Bow is a weapon for shooting arrows. So here I have made one bow with the help of some, waste material. This is a arrow, this is an arrow, and this is a bow. So this is a noun. Bow, a weapon for shooting arrows. Now, what is the next one? Bow. Bow means it is a verb to bend the body or head. To bend the body or head. After singing a beautiful song, Rahul bowed to the audience. Bow. Bow means, what we have to do? Bow means to bend the body or head. After completing performance on the stage, people or the students or what I can say the performers, they bow the head because of after completing the performance they do this. After singing a beautiful song, Rahul bowed to the audience. Next one, MINUTE. Both the words, they have the same spelling, but they have different meaning and different pronunciation. First one is minute. Minute is a noun, a period of time equal to 60 seconds. minute. So here example is wait a minute, he is coming, wait a minute. Next one is minute. Minute, it is an adjective. Minute means very tiny or small. बहुत ज़्यादा छोटे, बहुत ज़्यादा छोटे. So बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा or minute, very tiny or small. Virus is a minute organism. Virus is a minute organism. Next one is T-E-A-R and T-E-A-R. Spelling is same. We have same spelling, but we have different pronunciation and meaning also. So tear, T-E-A-R, tear, pull something apart or to pieces with a force. What is the meaning of tear? Tear means tearing the papers. This is the waste paper. I am tearing this paper. I am tearing this paper. So tear, T-E-A-R, tear, pull something apart or to pieces with force. I am tearing this waste paper. I am tearing this waste paper. Next one, tear. Pronunciation is different. You can notice that. Tear, tear. Tear is noun. Drops of salty water in our eyes. Drops of salty water in our eyes. So here, tear, tear means padna. Tear means asu. Drops of salty water in eyes. Example is here. Police use tear gas to disperse the crowd. Police use tear gas to disperse the crowd. Next one, W-I-N-D. W-I-N-D. Both the words, they have the same spelling, but the meaning and the pronunciation is different. Here, W-I-N-D, this is called wind. The spelling is W-I-N-D, W-I-N-D, but the pronunciation wind, a current of air or the movement of air. So, what is the example here? There is no wind today. There is no wind today. What is the example? There is no wind today, so I cannot fly my kites. There is no wind today, so I cannot fly my kites. And next one, the wind is blowing from the west. The wind is blowing from the wind is blowing from the west. So these are the examples. Next one is last one, wind. W-I-N-D, W-I-N-D. This is wind, this is wind. Wind, to wrap or coil something around something else. To wrap or coil something around something else. Example, this is a string and this is a pen. So I can give one example. This is a pen and this is a string. So you can see this one, this is a pen and this is a string. So what I am doing, I am winding this string around this pen. I am winding this string around this pen. Winding. Okay, I am winding this wire around this nail. So I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you for watching my videos.